Welcome to Nagas Oh Delicious. In today's video, we're going to see the Navaratri offering for day 5, 2020. So on Wednesday morning, it is Pachai Pairu Sweet Sundal, and towards evening, it is Pachai Patani Sadam. So let us get into the first preparation, that is Pachai Pairu Sweet Sundal. So take 1 cup of green gram and soak it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, transfer it to a pressure pan. Add exactly 2 cups of water and set it for pressure cooking. So pressure cook for 5 whistles and then cool it. So after cooling, if you check, it should be well cooked. So this is how the Pachai Pairu looks after cooking for 5 whistles. And now take a separate pan. On a moderate flame, add a teaspoon of ghee. Add about 3/4 cups of crushed jaggery and add 3 teaspoons of water for the jaggery to melt. So once jaggery comes to this boiling consistency, add the cooked Pachai Pairu and mix well. This is highly nutritious dal. With sweet, it really gives a very nice taste. After mixing well, now add half a cup of the powdered badam, which adds to the nutrition of the dish that's being prepared well. And now mix well. And then add 2 teaspoons of the crushed cardamom for the flavor. And finally, the Pachai Pairu Sweet Sundal is ready to be offered. So this is the offering prepared for the morning on Wednesday, Navaratri 2020. Next, let us look into the preparation of the Pachai Patani Sadam. This is a very simple yet a very aromatic and nutritious recipe that is being offered. So take half a cup of rice and dry roast it. So when you look into the rice, you can observe that there is white as well as the translucent rice. So we have to keep roasting till all the rice gets converted into white. So here we can see it is yet to go. And now yes, completely roasted rice. So at this stage, add exactly 3 times of water. That is the number of times you have taken rice. If you have taken 1 cup, add 3 cups of water. So here I have taken half a cup. So with the same measuring cup, I am adding 3 times the water. And since the rice is roasted, it will get cooked within 15 minutes. Now give a gentle mix so that if any lumps are formed, they get distributed evenly. To this, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Close the pan and set it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, exactly you get a well cooked rice ready to be prepared for the Patani Sadam. So rice is perfectly cooked and now ready to be treated with the Patani and other ingredients. Close it and keep it aside. And now take a separate frying pan on a moderate flame. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Allow the ghee to melt. And then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then 2 slit chilies. Half a cup of the green peas. And saute well. The green peas gets cooked very quickly, so just give it a gentle stir for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Transfer the roasted contents onto the cooked rice and give it a gentle mix. And now add salt to taste. And since I'm using rock salt, I dissolve it in water and then add it to the cooking ingredients. After that, add half a teaspoon of the sundal podi, and the preparation of the sundal podi I'll attach it in the description section. Please do check with that. So throughout Navaratri, I ensure that I use the sundal podi in some kind of preparation or other. Not only for sundal, for any aromatic rice, even for puliyodare you can add, even for lemon rice you can add. So please do check the sundal podi in the description box. And now after giving a gentle mix, so aromatic and nutritious Patani Sadam is ready to be offered on a Wednesday, Navaratri 2020. So that was the preparation of the Pachai Pairu sweet sundal and the Pachai Patani Sadam. Hope you liked the recipe. Please do try it, and if you get it well, let me know in the comment section. So stay safe and have a happy Navaratri. Till then, it's bye from Naga's Odelicious.